At CoolBlades we service hundreds of scissors each year. The difference between a scissor that's become blunt through use is very obvious when doing the tissue test on a scissor that's just been serviced and will cut the tissue in an absolutely crisp way. At CoolBlades we will strip down each scissor completely, taking apart every item from the scissor, the washers, the adjustment screws, and then we will clean thoroughly the inside of each blade. Once each side of each blade has been thoroughly cleaned, it'll be taken onto a whetstone where we will hone the inside of the blades and, using a polishing stone, gently cut, removing virtually no metal, the outside of the blade. It's then completely rebuilt, oiled and tension adjusted. Any components that are needed for the service will be fitted free of charge. This can be found on CoolBlades.co.uk.